Welcome to this video on the human body systems. Our body is a complex machine made up of 12 interconnected systems that work together to keep us alive and functioning. In this video, we will explore each of these systems and their functions. We'll dive into the details of the integumentary, skeletal, muscular, nervous, endocrine, cardiovascular, lymphatic, immune, respiratory, digestive, urinary, excretory, reproductive systems, and the newly recognized interstitium system. We'll explain how they work together to help us breathe, move, digest food, fight off infections, reproduce, and perform many other essential functions. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how your body works and how to keep it healthy. So let's get started and explore the fascinating world of the 12 human body systems. Let's begin with the most visible one. The integumentary system is the body system that includes our skin, hair, and nails. Its main function is to protect our body from external factors such as germs, harmful chemicals, and radiation. The skin is the largest organ of the body and has several layers. The outermost layer, called the epidermis, is constantly shedding and renewing itself. The layer underneath, called the dermis, contains blood vessels, nerves, and sweat and oil glands. The subcutaneous layer beneath the dermis helps to insulate and cushion the body. The skin also helps regulate body temperature by sweating and by increasing or decreasing blood flow to the surface. It also contains sensory receptors that allow us to feel touch, pressure, and temperature. Hair and nails are also part of the integumentary system. Hair grows from hair follicles in the skin and helps to protect and insulate the body, while nails are made of a protein called keratin and protect the fingertips and toes. Overall, the integumentary system plays an important role in protecting our body from the environment and helps us sense and respond to our surroundings. The next system is the skeletal system. The skeletal system is the body system that includes all the bones, joints, and cartilage in our body. Its main function is to provide support and structure to the body, protect internal organs, allow for movement, and store minerals such as calcium and phosphorus. There are 206 bones in the adult human body, and they come in different shapes and sizes. The bones of the skeleton are connected by joints, which allow for movement in different directions. Cartilage, a firm and flexible connective tissue, covers the ends of bones at joints and acts as a shock absorber. The skeletal system also plays an important role in the production of blood cells. The bone marrow, a soft tissue found inside some bones, produces red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. As we age, our bones can become weaker and more brittle, which can lead to conditions such as osteoporosis. It's important to maintain a healthy diet and exercise regularly to keep our skeletal system strong and healthy. In summary, the skeletal system provides support and structure to the body, protects internal organs, allows for movement, stores minerals, and helps produce blood cells. The muscular system is the third on our list, and it's the body system that includes all the muscles in our body. Its main function is to produce movement, maintain posture, and generate heat. There are 3 types of muscles in the body: skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. Skeletal muscles are the muscles that attach to bones and allow for voluntary movements such as walking, jumping, and lifting. Smooth muscles are found in the walls of internal organs and blood vessels, and they help to control involuntary movements such as digestion and blood flow. Cardiac muscle is found only in the heart and is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. Muscles work by contracting, which shortens the length of the muscle and produces movement. They are connected to bones by tendons, which are strong connective tissues that anchor the muscle to the bone. When a muscle contracts, it pulls on the bone it's attached to, which allows movement to occur. Regular exercise can help to keep our muscles strong and healthy. It's also important to stretch and warm up before exercising to prevent injury. In summary, the muscular system is responsible for producing movement, maintaining posture, and generating heat. There are 3 types of muscles in the body, and regular exercise is important for keeping our muscles strong and healthy. The next system is the cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system is the body system that includes the heart, blood vessels, and blood. Its main function is to transport oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste products throughout the body. The heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood throughout the body. It has 4 chambers, the right atrium and ventricle, and the left atrium and ventricle. The right side of the heart pumps blood to the lungs, where it picks up oxygen and gets rid of carbon dioxide. The left side of the heart pumps oxygen-rich blood to the rest of the body. Blood vessels are the tubes that carry blood throughout the body. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart to the rest of the body, while veins carry oxygen-poor blood back to the heart. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels, and they connect arteries and veins, allowing for the exchange of oxygen, nutrients, and waste products between the blood and body tissues. Blood is the fluid that circulates throughout the body in the cardiovascular system. It consists of red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Red blood cells carry oxygen from the lungs to the body's tissues, while white blood cells help to fight infection and disease. Platelets are involved in blood clotting, which helps to stop bleeding when a blood vessel is damaged. Cardiovascular disease is a leading cause of death worldwide. It's important to maintain a healthy lifestyle by eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and avoiding smoking to keep our cardiovascular system healthy. Generally, the cardiovascular system is responsible for transporting oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste products throughout the body. It includes the heart, blood vessels, and blood, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle is important for keeping the system healthy. The next system is the respiratory system. The respiratory system is the body system that includes the lungs and airways, and its main function is to bring oxygen into the body and remove carbon dioxide. When we breathe in, air enters through the nose or mouth and travels down the throat and into the lungs through a series of airways. The airways in the lungs branch out into smaller and smaller tubes called bronchioles, which end in tiny air sacs called alveoli. It is in the alveoli where the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide occurs. Oxygen from the air we breathe diffuses into the bloodstream and is carried to the rest of the body, while carbon dioxide from the body's cells diffuses into the bloodstream and is then exhaled from the body when we breathe out. The respiratory system also plays a role in regulating the pH balance of the body. The body maintains a balance between acids and bases to function properly, and the lungs help to regulate the amount of carbon dioxide in the body, which in turn helps to maintain the proper pH balance. It's important to maintain a healthy respiratory system by avoiding smoking and exposure to air pollution, getting regular exercise, and seeking medical attention if experiencing symptoms such as shortness of breath or persistent coughing. In summary, the respiratory system is responsible for bringing oxygen into the body and removing carbon dioxide. It includes the lungs and airways and plays a role in regulating the body's pH balance. Maintaining a healthy respiratory system is important for overall health and well-being. The next system is the digestive system. The digestive system is the body system that includes the organs responsible for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. The digestive system begins with the mouth, where food is chewed and mixed with saliva, which contains enzymes that begin the digestion process. The food then travels down the esophagus and into the stomach, where it is further broken down by stomach acid and enzymes. The stomach also releases food slowly into the small intestine, where most of the digestion and absorption of nutrients occurs. The small intestine is lined with tiny finger-like projections called villi and microvilli, which help to absorb nutrients from the food into the bloodstream. The large intestine, or colon, then absorbs water and electrolytes from the remaining undigested food and prepares it for elimination as feces. The liver and pancreas are accessory organs of the digestive system that aid in digestion. The liver produces bile, which is stored in the gallbladder, and helps to break down fats in the small intestine. The pancreas produces enzymes that help to digest carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Maintaining a healthy digestive system is important for overall health and well-being. Eating a balanced diet with plenty of fiber and staying hydrated can help to promote good digestion. In summary, the digestive system is responsible for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. It includes the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver, and pancreas. Eating a healthy diet and staying hydrated can help to maintain a healthy digestive system. The next system is the urinary or excretory system. The urinary system is responsible for removing waste and excess fluid from the body. It includes the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. The kidneys are two bean-shaped organs located in the back of the abdomen. They filter waste and excess fluid from the blood and produce urine. The urine then flows from the kidneys through the ureters, which are two narrow tubes that connect the kidneys to the bladder. The bladder is a muscular sac that stores urine until it is ready to be expelled from the body. The urine leaves the body through the urethra, a tube that carries urine from the bladder to the outside of the body. The urinary system plays an important role in maintaining a healthy balance of fluids and electrolytes in the body. It also helps to regulate blood pressure and produces hormones that stimulate the production of red blood cells. Maintaining a healthy urinary system is important for overall health and well-being. Drinking plenty of water and avoiding holding urine for long periods of time can help to promote good urinary system health. In summary, the urinary or excretory system is responsible for removing waste and excess fluid from the body. It includes the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. Maintaining a healthy urinary system is important for overall health and well-being. The next system is the reproductive system. This system is responsible for the production of offspring and includes organs such as the testes, ovaries, uterus, and penis. In males, the reproductive system includes the testes, epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and penis. The testes produce sperm, while the other organs help to transport and store the sperm until it is released from the body during ejaculation. In females, the reproductive system includes the ovaries, fallopian tubes, uterus, cervix, and vagina. The ovaries produce eggs, which are released monthly during the menstrual cycle. The eggs travel through the fallopian tubes to the uterus, where they may be fertilized by sperm. If fertilized, the egg implants in the uterus and develops into a fetus. If not fertilized, the egg is shed along with the lining of the uterus during menstruation. The reproductive system is regulated by hormones produced by the endocrine system, specifically the gonadotropins, luteinizing hormone LH and follicle-stimulating hormone FSH, which stimulate the production of sex hormones such as testosterone and estrogen. Maintaining a healthy reproductive system is important for fertility and overall health. This includes practicing safe sex to prevent sexually transmitted infections, getting regular checkups with a healthcare provider, and making lifestyle choices that support reproductive health. In summary, the reproductive system is responsible for the production of offspring and includes organs such as the testes, ovaries, uterus, and penis. Maintaining a healthy reproductive system is important for fertility and overall health. The next system is the endocrine system. This system is made up of glands throughout the body that produce and secrete hormones, which are chemical messengers that regulate various bodily functions. The major glands of the endocrine system include the hypothalamus, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid glands, adrenal glands, pancreas, ovaries, and testes. These glands release hormones into the bloodstream, where they travel to target cells and organs throughout the body. The endocrine system plays a critical role in regulating metabolism, growth and development, reproduction, stress response, and many other bodily functions. For example, the pancreas produces insulin, which regulates blood sugar levels, and the thyroid gland produces thyroid hormones, which regulate metabolism. Disorders of the endocrine system can lead to hormonal imbalances and a range of health problems, such as diabetes, thyroid disorders, and adrenal insufficiency. Treatment for these conditions may involve medications, hormone replacement therapy, or other interventions. In summary, the endocrine system is responsible for producing and secreting hormones that regulate various bodily functions. The major glands of the endocrine system include the hypothalamus, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid glands, adrenal glands, pancreas, ovaries, and testes. Maintaining a healthy endocrine system is important for overall health and well-being. The nervous system is a complex network of cells and tissues that enables communication and coordination between different parts of the body. It is responsible for receiving and interpreting sensory information, processing information, and generating responses to stimuli. The nervous system can be divided into two main parts: the central nervous system (CNS) and the peripheral nervous system (PNS). The CNS includes the brain and spinal cord, while the PNS includes all the nerves and ganglia outside of the brain and spinal cord. Neurons are the basic units of the nervous system, and they are specialized cells that transmit electrical and chemical signals throughout the body. The nervous system also includes glial cells, which support and protect the neurons. The nervous system is responsible for controlling and coordinating many bodily functions, including movement, sensation, perception, thought, memory, and emotion. It plays a critical role in maintaining homeostasis, the process by which the body maintains a stable internal environment. Disorders of the nervous system can lead to a range of health problems, such as neurological diseases, mental health disorders, and sensory processing disorders. Treatment for these conditions may involve medications, surgery, therapy, or other interventions. In summary, the nervous system is responsible for communication and coordination between different parts of the body. It includes the central nervous system, CNS, and the peripheral nervous system, NSA, and is composed of neurons and glial cells. Maintaining a healthy nervous system is important for overall health and well-being. The lymphatic system is a network of tissues and organs that helps to maintain fluid balance in the body and defend against infections. It is composed of lymphatic vessels, lymph nodes, lymphoid organs, and lymphocytes. Lymphatic vessels are similar to blood vessels and transport a fluid called lymph throughout the body. Lymph is a clear fluid that contains white blood cells, proteins, and other substances. Lymph nodes are small, bean-shaped structures that filter the lymph as it passes through, trapping bacteria, viruses, and other harmful substances. Lymphoid organs, such as the spleen and thymus, also play a role in filtering the lymph and producing immune cells. The lymphatic system helps to defend the body against infections and diseases by producing and storing white blood cells called lymphocytes. These cells are important for recognizing and attacking foreign substances such as bacteria, viruses, and cancer cells. Disorders of the lymphatic system can lead to a range of health problems, such as lymphedema, an abnormal swelling caused by the buildup of lymphatic fluid, and lymphoma, a type of cancer that affects the lymphocytes. Treatment for these conditions may involve medications, surgery, or other interventions. In summary, the lymphatic system is a network of tissues and organs that helps to maintain fluid balance in the body and defend against infections. It is composed of lymphatic vessels, lymph nodes, lymphoid organs, and lymphocytes. Maintaining a healthy lymphatic system is important for overall health and well-being. While the lymphatic system and the immune system are closely related, they are two separate systems with different functions. The lymphatic system is responsible for maintaining fluid balance in the body and defending against infections. On the other hand, the immune system is responsible for defending the body against infectious agents, such as bacteria, viruses, and fungi. It is made up of white blood cells, antibodies, and other specialized cells and proteins that work together to recognize and destroy foreign substances that enter the body. While the lymphatic system is involved in the immune response by transporting immune cells and fluids, the immune system itself is responsible for recognizing and attacking foreign substances. The immune system can be further divided into two main types, the innate immune system and the adaptive immune system. The innate immune system provides the first line of defense against infections and includes physical barriers, such as the skin and mucous membranes, as well as specialized cells that can recognize and attack foreign substances. The adaptive immune system, on the other hand, is more specific and can target specific pathogens by producing antibodies and other specialized cells. Understanding the structure and function of each of these systems is crucial for maintaining good health and preventing disease. By taking care of our bodies through healthy eating, regular exercise, and other lifestyle choices, we can help support the optimal functioning of each system and maintain overall health and well-being.